Hello guys, Art-Teeves here. In this video, I'll show you some basic, simple, but really essential methods of 3D modeling in Max and Substance Painter. Let's get started. The first method revolves around the basic option of automated retopology. This one makes your modeling so much easier. Detach parts you wish to merge, use Probe Lean modifier, and then apply automated retopology modifier. To get some extra freedom, detach the part of the model you wish to retopologize, and then attach it back. If you are an ultimate beginner, automated retopology may seem like a rather advanced option, but trust me, it's not. It literally paves you the way into the world of complex shapes and almost no intersecting geometry. The second essential tip revolves around UV unwrapping. To be precise, around its flatten by UV map option. It isn't as great for texturing models in Photoshop, but is perfect for use with Substance Painter. I don't use it straight away just to show you why it is so important. As you can see in the video, classic unwrapping may cause some artifacts on hard edges when baking your model in Substance Painter. This edge gets artifacts that can be removed by breaking UVs here and detaching corresponding parts. This is only important for Substance Painter, but can save you a lot of trouble. To speed up your unwrapping pipeline, you might want to apply smoothing groups, and then flatten your UVs by those new smoothing groups. This isn't the silver bullet, so you'll have to straighten things up and use some other methods of UV unwrapping on more complex models, but it may surely be a great start. I took an extract from the video where I start unwrapping this simple landing module. Breaking UVs on hard edges is simple, but it also creates unwanted seams. I'll show you how to deal with them. Also, you might want to get some plugin that enables automated normalization of UV shells. Personally, I enjoy Advanced UV Normalizer, but there are many other interesting options. Dealing with seams might be tricky in various software, but in Substance Painter it is really straightforward. You create a paint layer, change its blending options to path through, and use the clone tool, altering your brush flow slightly. These tips may seem absolutely basic, but oh, I wish I knew these methods before. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the content I make, feel free to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And most importantly, have a great day.